Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Show yourself in 3 different styles.
Let's start. Open any editing application. Go to New Project and add your 4 photos. For first one, you can add any background or your video. And then your 3 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now split and delete the rest of the audio. Now add text. Go to text and write. Show yourself in 3 different styles. Choose font and style. Now place. Apply text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.